the LG V20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys how to delete your Twitter account. So if you guys want desktop or mobile, this will work for both methods. So what you guys want to do is click on your icon right here and go down to settings and privacy right here. And then you guys will be brought here, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you guys will see deactivate your account. You click on that. And you guys will get this message here. It says that if you want to restore your Twitter account, you can do it within 30 days. If you guys change your mind, you can log back into Twitter within the 30 days and your account will not be deleted. So you guys will get this message right here. So if you guys want to delete your Twitter for good, click on Deactivate, and you want to put in your password, and I'm going to do that here. And then you want to put in your password to confirm it. So you put in your password, then click on Deactivate account here, and it should delete my Twitter. It says your account is now deactivated. Sorry to say you goodbye. So my Twitter is now gone. So that's pretty much easy, guys. So you just go to settings and privacy, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you guys will see the deactivate account. Click on that. You can log back into your Twitter account within 30 days if you guys change your mind. And before deleting your account, you will need to put in your password, so keep that in mind. To put in your password and hit deactivate, and your Twitter account will be gone. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.